Hey friends, how are we? Are we ready to make a paper bird? Let's jump in. Let's go over the materials. You should have 2 pieces of colored paper. Let me zoom out a little. 2 pieces of colored paper, this bird body, a smaller piece of pattern paper, and then some yellow or orange paper, and a googly eye. So what we're going to do is we're going to first assemble our bird. You're going to need scissors for that. And what you're going to want to do is cut out a triangle for the beak. I like to just make a big triangle, and then I like to kind of consider how big I want it. So I think that's good. So I'm going to grab some glue. And once I'm happy with the beak, I'm going to then glue this part on. It's the belly. So you're just going to put glue over this. And then I'm going to put my googly eye on. It should be a sticker, so you just gotta peel that away. So now I have the bird's body all set, and now we're going to work on making the tail and the wings. So we're going to take one of our pieces of paper, this one over here, and so we're going to make the wings first, and we're going to accordion fold them, so long ways. So we're going to be folding along this. So I'm just going to take it, and what I mean by accordion fold is once I make my first small fold, I flip the paper over, and then I'm going to fold again along that line, and I'm just going to keep doing that over and over until the entire thing is folded. You go slow so everything stays pretty even, but even if it goes crooked, that's okay too. So once I have that, I'm going to put it to the side, and now we're going to do our tail. So for the tail, so we're going to fold it the same way again, this long way. Forth again, just keep flipping the paper with each fold, back and forth, back and forth. And then once you have that, you're going to fold it in half. And here, you're then going to cut it in half. So I'm gonna grab my scissors. I'm just gonna, there you go. Now it's time for assembly. So you're gonna notice inside your bird body, there should be a slit. So you're gonna take your one long piece and slide it through. About halfway. And then once you've slid it through, let me zoom out a bit more. I like to then stretch out my wings a little bit. And then I'm going to take, you're gonna need a stapler for this next part. Then we're going to be stapling the tail feather. So I like to put them together like this, kind of line them up. And once I like where it's placed, take my stapler and I staple it on. And it's thick, so I'm going to do more than one. And then once you're done with attaching your tail feathers, you just like to pull them out just a little bit, fan them out. And there you have it, your paper bird. See if it flies. Test it out. Let me know how it works. But even if it doesn't fly, it's pretty cute. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.